川普就任了后签署的行政命令当中，有一项是关系到中国影音平台 TikTok。川普伫 TikTok 的母公司20跳动75天的时间，甲美国的买主进行谈判。川普也强调，20跳动公司爱卖一半的股权予美国的买主，若无期限一到，就要离美国消失。
看 TikTok 伫美国消息支持了后，佮重新上线。纽约这几个少年人现伫真欢喜，有 TikTok 软体的中国20跳动公司，伫川普上任进前，就是伫美国已经无出路啊，家己提前关起来，也毋过随川普签署的行政命令，予业者75日的缓冲期，代志各有转机啊。
If I don't do the deal, it's worthless, worth nothing. If I do the deal, it's worth maybe $1 trillion, $1 trillion. So if I do the deal I'm talking about doing it for the United States. If I do the deal for the United States, then I think we should get half.
隔两天，川普甲两人的孙正义甲顾问的赖瑞·艾利森共同召开记者会，宣布新闻这个大型的人工智慧基础建设计划。佢表示美国伫 TikTok 这个问题上的立场。
You have an asset that has no value or has $1 trillion value. It all depends on whether or not the United States gives the permit. So what I'm saying is let the United States give the permit and the United States should get half.
记者会结束进前，川普面对对面，予这个使人去思考的答案。
You have TikTok on your phone?
No, but I think I might put it there. I think I'll get it right now. By the way, again, we won the young vote. I think I won it through TikTok. So I have a warm spot in my heart for TikTok.
另外，若未来 TikTok 有真正美国买主摕到半数股权，会是当在开记者会，甲股份创办人赖瑞·艾利森，也是选战期间一路相挺的 SpaceX 的执行长马斯克，川普目前是无特定的意见。公司新闻旗下人编译。